Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In the purple box there is some mystery math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can use the link in the description to try this out. When you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. Okay, I'm going to start with a 0. All right, that's off our graph. 0 gives us negative 13. How about a 1? And that's going down. It looks like at least that section has a slope of negative 7. Let's try 2 and see if it continues to go down. Negative 29, and that section has a slope of negative 9, so it looks like a curve going down on the right here. Let's try some negative numbers, see if we get anything that's on the graph. Okay, so there's negative 8, and how about we put in a negative 2? That's negative 5, so it looks like the curve is getting less and less steep. How about a negative 3 here? Negative 4. So my suspicions now, just because of the shape of this curve, is that we might have a parabola. So this might be a quadratic equation. So what I would expect if I put in negative 4, I should get negative 5 here. So let's see if that holds up. Yeah, okay. And then if I put in negative 6, it should be down here at negative 8. Whoops, what did I do? I meant negative 5. Aha, negative 5. Should be down at negative 8. Yeah. So we do have the symmetry that you would expect from a parabola. And I think we have all the information we need to write this function. So first of all, it's a downward facing parabola. So it's going to start with a negative sign. So f of x equals negative. And then I don't think we have a multiplier on here because when you're one unit to either side of your vertex here, you've gone down just 1. So I think this is no multiplier here. And in the next step, we've gone down 3 more. That's the pattern you'd see with a regular parabola without the multiplier. However, it has been moved over 3 units in the negative direction and then down. So negative 4 units there. So moving to the left, we actually put the opposite sign inside the parentheses. So that would be x plus 3, quantity squared. And then the 4 down is outside, and it's the same sign. So this should be negative x plus 3, quantity squared, minus 4. That's what I'm thinking. Let's test a point. Let's put in negative 1 here. So negative 1 plus 3, quantity squared, minus 4. Well, negative 1 plus 3 is 2. And then 2 squared is 4, but we put this negative sign on it, so negative 4 minus 4, that should be negative 8. Yeah, and when we put in negative 1, we get negative 8. Let's put in a positive number. Let's put in 1. So negative 1 plus 3, quantity squared, minus 4. Well, 1 plus 3 is 4, and if we square that, we get 16. And that would be negative 16 minus 4. That would be negative 20. And look at that. We put in 1, we get negative 20. So I think we've got this. Let's go ahead and reveal. Yes, an f of x equals a negative x plus 3 quantity squared minus 4, and let's graph. And there we have that classic parabola shape facing downward this time and moved a little bit to the left and a little bit down. Well, how did that go for you? Did you see parabola? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.